हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। सो जैसा आप जान रहे हैं, छुट्टियां बहुत लंबी हो चुकी हैं और छुट्टियों के साथ साथ पढ़ाई भी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो आज हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं, ओके? तो आप अपनी बुक ओपन करिए और आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेंटेंसेस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो एज यू नो सेंटेंसेस, आपको पता है सेंटेंसेस किसे कहते हैं? अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड दैट मेक्स कंप्लीट सेंस इज कॉल्ड सेंटेंसेस। जैसे कि कोई भी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड होता है जिनका कोई मीनिंग निकलता है, जिनका कोई मतलब निकलता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सेंटेंसेस। एज यू कैन सी हेयर, द डियर इज टेकिंग अ नैप। जो डियर है वो क्या कर रहा है? झपकी ले रहा है। इस सेंटेंस का मतलब निकल रहा है ना, मीनिंग निकल रहा है ना। So it's a complete sentence. It's a making sense. So it will be sentence. You can see another one. The mouse is eating the cheese. चूहा क्या कर रहा है? चीज खा रहा है. This sentence is also making a complete sense. So it's a sentence. Now here you can see the next one. Parul is reading a book. पारुल क्या कर रही है? पारुल बुक पढ़ रही है. It's also making a complete sense. So it's a sentence. One more thing I want to tell you is it is very important that every sentence that tells something begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It's a very important thing children. जब भी हम लिखना शुरू करते हैं, जब भी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा क्या होता है? कैपिटल होता है। और जब भी हमारा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो लास्ट में हम क्या करते हैं? फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं। ओके, सो आई थिंक you all have understood what's a sentence. Let me remind you again. A group of words that makes complete sense is called sentence. So let's head towards the book exercises. So our first exercise is pick the groups of words that are sentences. Here you can see some group of words are given here. We have to figure out the complete sentence which is making complete sense. So the first one is there was snowfall last night. Last night क्या हुई थी? Snowfall हुई थी. So this word is making a complete sense. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? Sentences. We have to put a tick mark in this box. Another one you can see raining. Is this word making any sense? कोई मतलब बन रहा है इस वर्ड का? No. So it's not a complete sentence. It's not making any sense. Just leave it. Now see the next one. Snow all around. It's a group of words but not making any sense. So just drop it out. See the next one. I love winters. मुझे winters पसंद है, ठंडियां अच्छी लगती हैं. This word is making sense. So put a tick mark in front of the box. See the next one. It is very cold today. आज बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. This word is making complete sense. So put a tick mark in front of the box. So the next one is लॉक था क्या? So our next exercise is rearrange these words to make meaningful sentences. One has been done for us. You can see here, I dancer slash grow up slash want slash I slash to be slash I slash when. Is this sentence making any sense? You are getting any meaning from this sentence? No, we have to rearrange these words to make a complete sense, which is giving us a sense or a meaning. So you can see here, I want to be a dancer when I grow up. जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा तो मैं डांसर बनना चाहूंगा. This word is making sense. So now see the second one, tennis slash to play. Similarly, we have to rearrange the another word. So the second one will be my mother likes to play tennis. So the third one, You can see the third one. Similarly, we have to do all the exercises. See the fourth one. Tomorrow my cousin here will be Anjana and Ravi. Rearrange these words. My cousins Anjana and Ravi will be here tomorrow. Next one, going slash Sunday this slash the picnic slash for slash are slash we. Are we going for the picnic this Sunday? See, another important thing is whensoever in a sentence we are asking something, so we will put a question mark at the last of the sentence. See, the next exercise is match column A with column B to form meaningful sentences. You can see in column 1, only half sentence has been given, which is not making the complete sense. And you can see in the column B, the half sentence has been written here. We have to match the sentences to make a complete sentence, which will make a complete sense. So the first one is, it was fun. We will match it with C, to swim in the sea. It was fun to swim in the sea. Second one is, it was. We will match it with option D, a warm and sunny day. It was a warm and sunny day. Third one is, we swam. We will match it with option E, for about 2 hours. Next one, after the swim, we will match it with option B, rested on the beach for a while. Next one is, we enjoyed. We will match it with option A, hot noodles and coconut water. We enjoyed hot noodles and coconut water. Now children, very important thing is coming. Every sentence has a 2 part. You can see here. Every sentence has 2 parts, the naming part and the action part. So you can see one example has been given here. The children are playing in the sun. So in the above sentence, the naming part is the children and the action part is the are playing in the sun. The naming part must have a noun or a pronoun in it. जो naming part होगा उसमें noun और pronoun must होगा. Or the action part always has a verb in it. As you know, verb. मैंने पढ़ाया था ना आपको verb. Doing words are called verb. So the children are playing in the sun. Action part हमारा क्या होगा? Are playing in the sun. कौन खेल रहा है sun में? The children. So naming part हमारा क्या होगा? The children. और action part क्या होगा? Are playing in the sun. So one exercise has been given. You can see exercise D. Underline the naming part and circle the action part in each of these sentences. So the first one is, a fox and a stork were friends. So a fox and a stork. You can see it's a naming word. So we will underline the naming word and were friends. They were friends. They are action part. So we will make a box in front of the action part. Similarly, we will do all the exercise. Second one is, one day the fox invited the stork to his home for dinner. एक दिन fox ने stork को अपने घर invite किया किस लिए? Dinner करने के लिए. So the fox, again you can see the fox is the naming part. So we will underline it and फॉक्स ने किस लिए बुलाया था स्टॉक को? डिनर करने के लिए. इनवाइटेड द स्टॉक टू हिज होम फॉर डिनर. वी विल सर्कल द एक्शन पार्ट. नेक्स्ट वन, द फॉक्स सर्व्ड द स्टॉक सूप इन अ bowl. So the fox, again it's a naming part. We will underline it and serve the stork soup in a bowl. It's a action part. We will circle it. Next one is, the stork could not have the soup because of his long neck. Again the stork is naming part, so we will underline it and could not have the soup because of his long neck. We will circle it. In this exercise we have to attempt only 4 questions. Okay, so here the next one. This is a question. It is an asking sentence. I told you questions end with a question mark. Some of the commonly used question words are what, which, who, where, when, why, and how. Before this, I told you when any sentence is asking any question, we will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. So here one exercise has been given. Complete these questions with the correct question words. First one is dash. Does Vikas love to do? What we will use? What? What does Vikas love to do? Again, you can see in this sentence, it has been asked something. अगर इस सेंटेंस में कुछ पूछा जा रहा है तो हम लास्ट में क्या लगाएंगे? क्वेश्चन मार्क. See the next one. Dash. Does Sujata's mother like to have her tea? Now we will put where. Where does Sujata's mother like to have her tea? Answer is Sujata's mother likes to have her tea in bed. You can see after every sentence where anything is asked, question mark has been put in the last. So the next one dash is Mr. Amar. So we are using who. Who is Mr. Amar? Answer is Mr. Amar is my father's friend. You can see at the end of the sentence we have put a full stop. After completing our sentence, we have to put full stop, and if any sentence is asking anything or any question, we have to put question mark. So the next one dash. Do the winter holidays begin? When do the winter holidays begin? Answer is the winter holidays begin next week. Last one is dash. Will the dance show be held? Where will the dance show be held? The answer is the dance show will be held in the school auditorium. You can see here some questions do not have question words. They begin with verbs. Are you feeling better today? कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे भी होते हैं जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट नहीं होते हैं, वो वर्ब से स्टार्ट होते हैं. देन ऑल्सो वी विल पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द लास्ट. Again, one more exercise is there. Rearrange the words in these sentences to form questions. So the first one is the train is running late. We have to form a question of this sentence. So what we will do, you can see here, first one has been done for us. The train is running late. We have to make a question of this sentence. So we are going to use is before the sentence, is the train running late? You can see here, second one, the guests have arrived. We have to again make a question of this sentence. So we will use have the guest arrived, and what we will put at the last? Question mark. Now the next one, these books are yours. Are these books yours? Question mark. Next one, the teacher was proud of Nadira. Question is, was the teacher proud of Nadira? Question mark. Next one, the butterfly is beautiful. Again we have to make a question. Is the butterfly beautiful? Question mark. Last one is, it was raining yesterday. Was it raining yesterday? Question mark. Should I elaborate this also? So now our book exercise has been completed. So let's head towards the copy work. So first of all, you will write phase 4. Next, portion for phase 4. You have to write the portion for phase 4. And next, you have to put a date. Chapter number 12. The name of your chapter is sentences. The definition of sentences is a group of words that makes complete sense is called sentence. For example, the children are playing in the sun. There are two parts of sentence. One is naming part, another one is action part. As you can see, the children are playing in the sun. Who is playing? Children. So children will be naming part and action part are playing in the sun. One new thing we have added for you is the smart summary. Here you can see capital letter. I told you our first letter will always begin with capital letter. So a capital letter is used to start a sentence. See the next one, full stop. Full stop is used to end a sentence. Next one is question mark. It is used at the end to ask something. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.